with small organisations, they don't have that dedicated security function. So you end up with either IT people communicating cybersecurity or information security. Business leaders, they don't use the same language, they'll talk about risk. So it's about finding that balance between technical and business risk and making it real for people. That's make it real and use the right language. So I'm involved with the CyCOS project, which is about building communities of support for small and large businesses actually. So the idea is that we're going to try and bring private sector, public sector organisations or security support organisations along with the small business in an open forum, no silly questions environment. Language. It's, we all talk about ransomware vectors and this, that and the other, or business risk. Again, we just need to make it real and what would happen, say, if a ransomware attack actually occurred, what would be the impact on you? That's a tough one. Every business is completely different, so you have to shape that communication to the business and the staff involved there. So we've worked with manufacturing companies, for instance, and we've done awareness training where the communication with the people on the shop floor, they might not even touch a computer, but we dealt with those in a completely different way than we did with the execs. I'm a really big believer in a term that we call co-opetition. So that is about business leaders, security providers actually coming together to actually really understand how we can help small, medium, large businesses in a sort of a more universal way. I've been in this industry 20 years and we're still here talking about the same things. Something's got to change.